What's going on, guys? Tony here. TCL 10 Pro on deck. One of my main issues with this phone was that I was getting accidental touches whenever I use the phone without the case. Now, if you got the case on, you'll be fine. But I wanted to use the phone without the case for a little while, see how it held up with scratches and all that. But the main reason why I didn't use it without the case was accidental touches. So we got an update, I would say about a week ago, which was set to fix the accidental touches and also improve the camera. So there's tons of cameras on here. You can see 4 in the back and there's 1 in the front. So cameras was supposed to get updated, and we also got a security patch update for May 1st. So I'm pretty pleased that TCL, so far out the gate, they're starting off pretty good when it comes to the hardware, the screens, and the updates. I'm pretty happy that they released an update pretty quick, and we're gonna jump into that update. But first, let's talk about the touch sensitivities. Did this update actually fix the touch sensitivity on my TCL 10 Pro as far as me getting those accidental touches? The answer is yes, it did definitely improve. I mean, I still have an occasional accidental touch here and there, but it definitely did improve that part of the issue that I was having with the phone. Now the cameras, when it comes to the reds on the cameras, it was definitely super saturating those red colors. So we did get an update for the cameras. I did take a couple photos, and to me, it seems like they fixed the issue when it comes to the reds, but now like the greens are extra saturated. So I'll show you guys what I mean here in a minute when we jump into the phone. So let's jump into the phone real quick. And too many attempts, sorry. So let me swipe up, enter my code real quick. Okay, so we'll go into settings and go into, where are we at? System on the bottom here, and about phone, and I'm gonna show you that update that we got. It is the version 2.0.4D.H.D, which is the latest update. And we also got an update for the TCL 10L. So if you guys have that device, make sure you hit update and receive that update. And we have the May 1st security patch. So touch sensitivities, I can definitely tell you that it has improved. The device is running much smoother, and I'm overall happy with that I'm not accidentally opening all kinds of apps while I'm using the phone. Like, I really want to use this phone without a case because it's just a beautiful phone. And I'm happy that update came out. So when it comes to the cameras, you can see the cameras are definitely nice. We got auto, video. You can see there the video there, portrait. And then we have Super Night. Super Night also got an update. So Super Night, I haven't really tested yet. It got an update, and then we got Pro. So I'm gonna take a picture here when it comes to the greens and auto. And we'll take a photo real quick, and I'll show you guys the image here in a second. So here is the image that I just took. You can see the photo is definitely very crisp and looks real good. To me, the photo looks decent. It's something that you can definitely share on social media without any problem. And we're gonna go ahead and try portrait mode with this. Let me see. Yeah, I'll try this object right here. And we'll try portrait mode. Portrait. Let me do this one right here, this leaf. Wow, that is nice. So we're gonna test out that portrait mode. Okay, so here's portrait mode of this leaf, and it actually came out. Look how it blurred out the background. Did a pretty good job. It caught the whole leaf, blurred out the background, which is my refrigerator back there. Pretty nice image. I mean, it's definitely real nice. So yeah, my opinion, the update did definitely improve when it comes to touch sensitivities. I'm not accidentally opening any apps. And as far as the photos, let me try the red, because the red was like the most color that it would kind of super saturate. So let's see what this looks like. So you can see there, let me sort of lean this, eczema. So you can see that the reds are still a little bit oversaturated. Definitely a little bit oversaturated. So you can see here, almost looks the same actually. You guys drop down in the comments, let me know what you guys think about these reds. Does it look like the identical color? It's a little bit brighter, darker. But yeah, there you guys have it. TCL 10 Pro on deck. Got an update. Shout out to TCL for sending this phone out to me for review. They're definitely doing a great job. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. We out.